Hopefully you can hear that sound. All right, there you go. So you hear that really moving sound right there. All right, let's quickly take out the wheels. All right, hopefully you can see it from here. All right, you can see that it's moving right there. That's a steering rack right there, rack and pinion. So this is electric rack and pinion. You can see that rack is moving. It'll be worse when it's all the way out, pushing this way. So we're gonna replace the rack, inner tie rod, and the outer as well. So we're gonna advise the owner, tell him that we need all those parts, and as well change the intermediate shaft. It's out anyways, because not replacing and it will cause more problem in the long run. So let the guy know that needs a steering